The armature is the central part of your power tool's motor. It consists of windings, the commutator, a cooling fan, and the drive shaft. The armature along with the field create an electromagnetic field that causes the armature to spin. The carbon brushes transfer electricity to the armature through the commutator. Over time, the commutator will wear from this constant contact. If the tool is overloaded, the armature can overheat and the insulation around the windings will burn away, creating a short circuit. When this occurs, there will be excessive sparking from the motor brushes and smoke or a burning smell from the motor. Replacing the armature is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the motor brushes. Now remove the screws that secure the gearbox to the motor housing. And next I'll separate the armature from the gearbox. Now I can install the new armature. I'll align the gears and press the bearing into the housing. I also need to align the plate with the notches in the gear housing. And I'll transfer the sleeve from the bearing on the old armature to the new one. I'll slide the armature back into the motor and secure the gearbox to the housing with the screws. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the brushes. And that's how you can replace the armature in your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.